Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.